Welcome back to Espan Flow. Today, we're learning a very useful topic, how to describe someone's physical appearance in Spanish. This is something you use in daily life, talking about friends, family members, coworkers, actors, or even explaining someone to another person. We'll give you clear vocabulary, simple structures, and easy Spanish example sentences you can repeat.
We'll begin with the basics: height, body type, and general appearance. In Spanish, describing someone usually follows this pattern: subject plus ser plus adjective. This simply means he is, she is, followed by the description. For height vocabulary, alto means tall, bajo means short, and de estatura media means medium height. For examples, él es alto, meaning he is tall. Ella es baja, meaning she is short. And mi hermano es de estatura media, meaning my brother is medium height.
Now for body type. Spanish uses simple adjectives. Delgado or delgada means thin. Gordo or gorda means overweight. Atlético or atlética means athletic. And fuerte means strong. Examples. Mi tío es delgado, meaning my uncle is thin. Ella es atlética, meaning she is athletic.
Next is age and general look. For age, we use the verb tener instead of ser. Tener ... años means to be, age, years old. Example, ella tiene 20 años, meaning she is 20 years old. General appearance adjectives are guapo or guapa means good-looking, bonito or bonita means pretty, feo or fea means unattractive, joven means young, mayor means older, and de mediana edad means middle-aged. Example sentences: ella es muy bonita, meaning she is very pretty. And él es mayor, meaning he is older.
Another common structure uses tener for specific features, for example, hair, eyes, or beard. We'll go deeper into that in the next chunk, but first let's review. Quick review. Él es alto y delgado. He is tall and thin. Ella es baja y bonita. She is short and pretty.
Good! Now you've learned how to describe height, body type, age, and general appearance. In the next chunk, we focus on hair, eyes, and facial features. Very important details when describing someone clearly.
Welcome to Part 2. Now we move to hair, eyes, and facial features. In Spanish, we usually use the verb tener to describe these physical details. Let's start with hair. Hair is el pelo or el cabello. Both are correct. Hair length vocabulary. Pelo largo means long hair. Pelo corto means short hair. Pelo medio means medium-length hair. Examples. Ella tiene el pelo largo, meaning she has long hair. Él tiene el pelo corto, meaning he has short hair. Hair color vocabulary. Pelo negro means black hair. Pelo castaño means brown hair. Pelo rubio means blonde hair. Pelo pelirrojo means red hair. Pelo canoso means gray hair. Example sentences. Mi madre tiene el pelo rubio, meaning my mother has blonde hair. Mi abuelo tiene el pelo canoso, meaning my grandfather has gray hair.
Now, let's describe eyes. Word for eyes is ojos. Eye colors. Ojos marrones means brown eyes. Ojos verdes means green eyes. Ojos azules means blue eyes. Ojos negros means dark eyes. Ojos grises means gray eyes. Examples. Ella tiene ojos verdes, meaning she has green eyes. Él tiene ojos marrones, meaning he has brown eyes.
Now, facial features. Very common vocabulary. Barba means beard. Bigote means mustache. Lentes or gafas means glasses. Cara redonda means round face. Cara alargada means long face. Sonrisa bonita means nice smile. Example sentences. Él tiene barba, meaning he has a beard. Ella tiene una sonrisa bonita, meaning she has a beautiful smile.
A helpful beginner structure is tiene and y, meaning he or she has and. For example, ella tiene el pelo largo y ojos azules. She has long hair and blue eyes.
Another structure is using llevar. In Spanish, llevar can mean to wear in this context. Examples. Él lleva gafas, meaning he wears glasses. Ella lleva el pelo suelto, meaning she wears her hair down.
Great! You now know how to describe hair, eyes, and facial features. In the final chunk, we will combine everything into longer descriptions and real mini conversations so you can practice describing people naturally.
Welcome to the final part of today's lesson. Now we'll combine everything into full descriptions and simple conversations. This step is important because it helps you sound natural when describing someone. Let's start with a full example description. Example 1. Mi amiga es alta, delgada y muy bonita. Tiene el pelo castaño y largo. Sus ojos son marrones y tiene una sonrisa bonita. Meaning, my friend is tall, thin, and very pretty. She has long brown hair. Her eyes are brown, and she has a nice smile.
Here's a male example. Mi primo es de estatura media y atlético. Tiene el pelo corto y negro. Lleva barba y usa gafas, meaning, my cousin is medium height and athletic. He has short black hair. He has a beard and wears glasses.
Now a younger person. El niño es bajo y joven. Tiene ojos azules y el pelo rubio. Meaning, the boy is short and young. He has blue eyes and blonde hair.
Let's try a mini conversation so you understand how people use these descriptions in real life. Conversation. ¿Cómo es tu hermana? Meaning, what does your sister look like? Ella es alta y muy bonita. Tiene el pelo negro y largo. Meaning, she is tall and very pretty. She has long brown hair. ¿Y tu hermano? Meaning, and your brother? Él es de estatura media. Tiene ojos verdes y lleva gafas. Meaning, he is medium height. He has green eyes and wears glasses.
Another conversation. ¿Cómo es tu profesor? Meaning, what does your teacher look like? Es mayor, tiene barba y siempre lleva lentes. Meaning, he is older, has a beard, and always wears glasses.
To close this lesson, here's a final review structure. Start with ser for height, body type, and general look. Use tener for hair, eyes, and specific features. Use llevar for things someone wears like glasses or hairstyle.
Practice describing people you see every day. Family, friends, people in movies, people in pictures. The more you practice, the more automatic your Spanish becomes.
Great job today. We'll continue with more important beginner Spanish topics in the next episode of Espan Flow.